So let's get started. The first thing to do is to download the development environment. We will write our code in it. We will work in Intellij IDEA. It's free to use. Let's download it. Launch the web browser and type Intellij IDEA. Download. Follow the first link and choose the free version. Click Download and wait for the file to be downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, execute it. Click Next. At this point, you can specify the location to install our program. Leave the default value and click Next. Here you should tick .java and choose the bitness of our operating system. In the example, it's 64-bit. Click Next. Tick the box Run Intellij IDEA and click Finish. We're asked if the settings of a previous installation should be imported. In our case, we have no previous installation, so leave the radio button at Do Not Import Settings and click OK. Here we can choose the UI theme. Some people prefer the dark theme, others like the light one. I have chosen the light theme. Click Next. At this point, you can leave all the default values and click Next. Here too, leave all the default values selected and click Start. So the development environment has been installed. But there is still one thing to do. Click Create Next Project and select SDK at the top of the window. SDK is an acronym for Software Development Kit. It's an application developer toolset, which includes a compiler, standard libraries, and Java JRE, which stands for Java Runtime Environment. If it's highlighted in red, you do not have it installed, so you need to download it. Click the blue line, Download JDK. Choose the latest version and click Download. At this point, you must accept the license agreement by clicking Accept License Agreement and choose the version of your operating system. As I have Windows, I will choose Windows and the name suffix exe. Click Download. Wait until it's completed. So the file is downloaded. Execute it and click Next. Next again. Now close the installer. So you have installed the JDK. Now you need to specify the path to this JDK in Intellij IDEA. Here in the upper line, click New and select the path where we have installed the JDK. I have it in the folder C, Program Files, Java, JDK. Click this folder and click OK. Now click Next, and Next again. All the required software has been installed, and we're all set to create applications.